What's up guys, my name's Alex and welcome to the BUGOUT Campers YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's episode we're going to mount the mudguards, we're going to do the scrub bars around the trailer, and we're going to mount the stabiliser legs in each corner. From there we're going to tie the rest of the frame together by doing some bracing and finishing up the welds, so stick around. Alright, so we have our rear tail lights all mounted up here now, ready to be wired. Alright, so just a quick update here, we've placed our mudguards where we think they're going to go. I think that should do the trick pretty well. And we'll go ahead and start welding them up. So what Hamish is doing here is he's mapping out our scrub bars on the ground before he goes and cuts them out of the steel. What this does is it helps us get our angles so we can make accurate cuts. So what we got here, guys, is our first piece cut out. Just going to sit there to support the mudguard, and the mudguard will bolt onto that. And then our next runner will run from here all the way to the tip of the trailer. All right, so we have the second piece on the front scrub bar all cut up here. Pretty much ready to get tacked. First look at the front piece here. What do we reckon, Hamish?
Scotty Minto.
Spot on. So once that's done, on the front here, front and back, looking pretty good, going along well. Alright, so the scrub bars and the mudguard mounts are all tacked on. They're ready to be welded up and then dressed back. Alright, so at this stage the scrub bars and the mudguard mounts are all welded up, and from here we're going to go and mount up all the stabiliser legs and get them welded in. Alright, so we've measured out the placement of our stabiliser legs. So the mounts will mount there, just where that black line is, and then the stabiliser leg will fold up back towards the tyre. So at the front here we've done the same, marked out our mounting point, and then these stabiliser legs will run back to the wheels as well. From here we'll get them all tacked up and then welded up. So our stabiliser legs are all welded up now. Just need to button them up with a rattle gun, and then we're going to move to mounting up our mudguards. so we have our holes drilled for our mudguards. Let's go into our scrub bars here. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert some nutserts here, stainless steel, and they're sealed as well. Alright, so we've buttoned up the first side here with the mudguard. I think it's looking an absolute treat. Alright, well that is a wrap for today's video. What a day we've had. Just to recap, today we mounted up our scrub bars and our mudguards. Got those all drilled and bolted up. We also finished the welds on the other side of the frame, and we mounted our stabilisers and the legs as well. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. Hopefully you tune in for the next episode, but for now, I'm out. Peace.